Now, next, let's give these guys some offers. Let's give our clients some offers. What do we offer? So we're going to copy that. It's going to be our offer styles. Offer styles. Save. 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 Save, 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 save. Okay, they heard me say save. Plenty times. Plenty times. Offer. You know what? The offer is actually going to be exactly like the about. So, what we can do is, what can we do? What can we do? What? All right. Offer section. And then we're going to take this about section. Take it. It's going to be the exact same. Copy. Boom. Boom. It's going to be the exact same. But ID, we're going to give it offer. Can save that there. Going to keep that the same. This, though, our picture is going to be different. It's going to be the offer picture. Now, though, we change the ID. Change the ID. So what we're going to do, so it applies all the same. Whoops. So you see, look at, oh my goodness, it doesn't look the same, right? And the word's all there. So it applies all the same. A little sneakiness. So we got ID offer. We're going to, let's actually just copy it. Not that one. Well, it's the same thing. Copy. And then go to our about styles right here. And then this, we need to separate it with a comma. Paste. And you gotta put the hashtag. Save. Boom! Look at that. Look at that styles. Look! That's what I'm talking about. Good job. And it's organized. The about us and the offer. Okay, so now we can do our little bit of adjustments. Our little bit of adjustments, which will be, so we can leave that. That's good. And now this title is going to be different. We're going to call it, we're going to go risks and benefits. Risks and benefits. We'll put a break. And of investing in stocks. Save that. And then we got our square, we got our little fake text words, and we won't have the quote in this section. File save. Check it out, check it out. I do want a button though. I do want a button in this part. So we're gonna put the button under the paragraph. So let's grab this. And put it here under the paragraph, and this one will be start free trial. Start free trial. Start now. Click here now. Ooh, we gotta clean up that. So what we will do is in our styles, in our little section we got, it will be hashtag offer space button curly brace margin 30 px and 0. Good spacing. Nice. See that? Look at that. This looks amazing. It's amazing. Check it out even smaller. Look at this site. I'm proud. It's pretty fresh. Look at that. All right, let's keep going. We're not done. We're not done. Almost there.